Welcome my crypto people. Let's talk about Sui. Is it the most revolutionizing blockchain or is it just fluff? And should you invest in it or not? But first, let's look at what the markets are doing. So Bitcoin at the moment hovering around 105k, Ethereum at 3200, XRP at $3.11, and Solana at almost $240. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing on TradingView. There we can see, based on these ribbons, that in the coming hours Bitcoin will be trending down. If we also look at market cipher, we can see this green wave is also pointing downwards. So suppose Bitcoin will be going down in the coming hours. If we look at the daily time frame, there we have something different. We can see that the ribbons are widening, so seems like Bitcoin wants to trend higher. Down here on market side, we also printed the green dot, and I was saying yesterday that there were mixed signals, but it seems like based on market cipher and these ribbons here that Bitcoin wants to trend higher. So let's see what that will bring in the coming days. The 200 EMA is also still trending higher, so those are good signs that Bitcoin wants to go higher. If we look at the crypto bubbles, we can see we're gonna talk about Sui today, almost up 12%. Also some big gainers, Deeks and Jasmine. For people who've watched my video yesterday, you could have seen that I've also invested in Jasmine, so I'm pretty happy with 30% gains from that. If we look at Sui also on TradingView, we can see based on the hourly time frame that these ribbons seems like they want to go down again. So based on these, I would say Sui will be trending sideways for the coming hours. Based on market cipher, we can also see it printed the red dot, so probably it will be going sideways or even a little bit down. If we look at the daily time frame, there we can see the same thing as with Bitcoin. So we can see these ribbons are starting to curve up again. We have some nice green candles, and down here on market cipher we printed a big green dot, so probably we will be going higher coming days. So let's see if we can break the all-time high of around $5 and almost 40 cents. So I think we will be getting close to that and probably break it in the coming weeks. So let's see what this bull run will be bringing. So what is Sui all about? Build beyond. So Sui delivers the benefits of Web3 with the ease of Web2. So the whole idea of the Sui chain is to make crypto as easy as possible and make the adoption grow as fast as possible. So make it really simple. They have several companies which they work with, so that's already nice. If we look at some metrics of Sui, we can see that it has almost 300k transactions per second. So if you compare that to Bitcoin, Bitcoin only has 7 transactions per second. So on that part, it blows Bitcoin out of the water, and so it's one of the fastest blockchains out there. If we also look at the time to finality, so to complete the transaction, it takes less than half a second. So that's really fast. So if we look at the team of Sui, we all know that Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook tried to create his own coin called Diem, and that got stopped by the government, and that team got split up into two big teams. One of them is the team of Sui, so very experienced people in this team. The CEO Ewan Chang already had a lot of experience on that Diem coin, and I think they're bringing that experience to the Sui chain. So the other team is the team of Aptos. Both of these coins are created on the language of Rust, and that's different compared to Ethereum, which created on a different language. So if we look at the Sui tokenomics, we can see that almost 50% is reserved for the community. They have like a delegation program, a grant programs, research and development, and validators subsidized. Community access program and app testers is 6%, and then we have Miston Labs Treasury 10%, investors 14%, and early contributors 20%. So if we have a look at the landscape of the Sui ecosystem, we can see that it has a lot going for it already. It's a quite young blockchain, but still it has a lot of things going for it already. So decentralized finance, DEXs, we can see compared to the rest, they're pretty big on gaming and they want to focus on that. So because that's a large group and a group that can onboard pretty quickly. So the whole idea to make things easy and fast, and also if they can get the gaming community for the Sui ecosystem, then it would mean that they should be pretty fast, for example with games rendering, stuff like that. So if they manage to achieve that, I think they will be close to Solana pretty quick. Some oracles, some social files, they already have several wallets of themselves. NFTs, quite big on NFTs also. Security, some tools and infrastructure, NFT marketplace, naming service, bridge, launchpad, and a DAO. So a lot happening already on the ecosystem of Sui, and they're pushing forward. When it comes to gaming, Sui also has a lot of skin in the game. They're creating their own gaming console called Sui Play OX1. In this manner, they're trying to onboard the large group of gamers out there, trying to make the adoption curve go higher and faster. And since Sui is one of the fastest blockchain out there, it's suitable, for example, the computing power that gamers need for rendering their scenes and skins and stuff like that. And there's real utility on the chain, so people can, for example, buy skins and stuff like that. So I think in this manner, Sui is contributing to the adoption of the crypto curve, and I think it's nice to see what they're doing. You can already order it, so if you're interested in gaming, I think this is something for you. Sui Play OX1, check it out. So another thing that Sui is doing pretty well is they created a platform for creating meme coins. It's called movepump.com. So if you want to create your own meme coin for pennies, you can do it there, movepump.com. And this is fun to see because, for example, Ivan Chang, that's the CEO of the Sui blockchain, they created several meme coins about him. So it's real fun to go and create your meme coin. You need your Sui wallet, and you can connect that wallet with this website, and then for pennies you can create your own meme coin. So go have fun if you want to dabble into meme coins. Just look for that you don't get burned. So I hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's help this channel grow. I appreciate that. Thank you.